Australian Oncologist declares that this juice kills 90% of cancer cells, cures gastritis, diabetes, liver and heart. Surely in your whole life you've never had potato juice, especially because you think it must taste awful, but not everything has to taste good. Most things that heal have an unattractive taste for us, and what has a better taste, more often than not it hurts us. Potato juice is quite tasteless, but it is very healthy, and is included in the medical brain diet. 1. The body becomes alkaline. Potato juice can help to establish the body's acid balance, which is especially important for us as today's diets cause the body. 2. Help against gout. It reduces the level of uric acid and therefore helps against gout. 3. It has anti-inflammatory action. Potato juice can help with arthritis and other forms of inflammatory processes, especially in joints and back pain. It also stimulates circulation throughout the body. 4. Rinse the skin. Potato juice has a calming effect on eczema and even acne and helps to clean the skin. 5. Help in the process of losing weight. For this purpose it is necessary to drink 1 cup of potato juice before breakfast and another 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. 6. Cleanses the liver. Therefore it can be used for detox diets, but it can also facilitate liver and gallbladder function if there are problems. For this purpose drink 1 cup of this juice in the morning on an empty stomach. 7. Helps in the treatment of gastritis and ulcer. Therefore, it is advisable to consume a spoonful of potato juice diluted in water half an hour before breakfast, lunch and dinner. 8. Fight cancer relentlessly. Potato juice is as simple as liquefying 2 potatoes. Take it every day on an empty stomach. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family.